everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I'm wearing my Merry shirt because it is the 25th of December, which means we get to open our final box of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Here is what, you guys already hear it. Here is what the box looks like. Hopefully nothing is broken, by the way. I probably shouldn't have shaken it, but it is making noises. Let's see. All right. It's another puzzle, I think, but a different kind of puzzle. Let's see. Oh, no, it's not a puzzle. What am I thinking? Okay, let's see. It is a Merry Sew Round Spinning Tool Caddy. Store and access your favorite quilting tools, thread spools, and notions with ease. Here is what it looks like. So pretty, oh my gosh. And here is how you screw everything into place. So let me do that really quick. We've got our base here with a magnet, and it looks like it does spin, so that's fun. Here's what the top looks like. It has Missouri Star Quilt Co. in the center. We have the Missouri Star finial for the very top. We have the column. And then we have our dowel rods. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put this together. So we'll put the dowel rods, you know, I might need a mallet. Oh, that one fit in, okay. Okay, I might need, yeah. There we go. Okay, this actually went in pretty easy. It was just this one that was hard. Okay, and so she said the shorter side of the column goes in the bottom. That makes sense because you're going to be putting that finial on top to kind of finish off the design. Okay, oh no. Okay, there we go. All right, don't over twist it for sure. You don't want to strip the screw. Okay, I'll put this on top. All right, and our final piece here. All right, I'll go ahead and give that a little tightening as well. And here you are, our little Merry Sew Round. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely putting this right by the sewing machine. I hope you guys love this because this is awesome. So there's definitely gonna be, I don't know, probably scissors here. What would you use this really massive one for? This is like 4 fingers wide here. This is probably, I don't know, 2.5, maybe 3 inches at the very most. Obviously scissors and seam rippers and things like that could possibly fit through there. I don't know what this little groove down here could be used for. It's definitely too small for bobbins. Obviously these pins would be great for bobbins or for spools of thread. And then of course you have the magnetic for pins or needles. This is an awesome gift. You could even paint it if you really wanted to, I guess. Let me know what you guys think down below, and Merry Christmas. I hope that you have a wonderful holiday and a very happy new year, and I'm sure I will see you in the future in another video. Bye everybody.